Placer and welcome back to another video. So today we're playing some more Unboxing Simulator and I am over 9,000 with boxes. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying to in this episode get to 100 AD coins to get to the next area, so yeah. Just need to smack these boxes more though. Like always, and I got my coin chest and my miscellaneous chest. Go there? Okay. So yeah, I need a lot of money, which is really annoying. I hate getting money. It takes so long to get money in this game. So yeah, I just keep on smacking these boxes, and I guess I'll see you guys when it's nearly there. I don't know, it's gonna take a while. I see a big thing over there. Yep, okay, I'm gonna go and get that soon. Okay, so also I've got 4 clovers, which are like really rare to get, and they can do hat drop potions, which are amazing, but I can't do them yet because I need to do that coin potion recipe thing. How did that just open easily? I thought it would have taken ages. Okay. Where's the music? No, the music. So yeah, any new hats that are good? Lion cape, is that from this area? Why would there be a lion cape? Oh, because it's rainforest, no doubt. I still got 3 epics. Oh, that looks like the banana thing, that peanut butter jelly time banana thing. Remember that? I need to get that, but I can't find it anywhere. So yeah, I guess I'll see you soon. Okay, okay guys, I'm halfway, or a little bit over halfway. I've got 50.3 AD. But I need 100 AD, so this is gonna take a little while. I get 1.17 AD when I do my next damage dealt, and it will keep going up, so that will be nice. But yeah, and I still haven't found any new ones. I completed all of that, which was really nice, and then I didn't get to get those ones there. And I never did any from this. But I can't even get those 3 epics. What about this area? I got all of them. All of them. I missed out on 1 epic. No, just, okay. Oh, you took it? Okay. So yeah. Toyland, yeah. Right, where was it? Okay, Toyland, and then Lavaland. I missed out on an epic. 2 epics. Epics everywhere. No epics. Okay, and then this is where I actually was really good at it, with getting at least all of the epics. Until it comes to like Haunted, where I miss an epic and then I go down and miss epics and miss rares. Because I just keep moving on to new areas. I think my coin chest might be ready again, possibly. I'll check soon, I guess, but yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll check now. The only annoying thing is that in this area, if I want to go to the teleporter, I have to go. Well, most times I just go down to bathtub area, but I'll show you that usually I would have to go all the way up here, just go all the way up here, then turn to the right, go all the way up here, turn to the right again, and then go across this platform, look at the circle of doom that has nothing in it until another 42 minutes and 19 seconds, and then go to the teleporter. So yeah, I'm gonna go and see, please, please, please. Oh, I've got 52.7 AD and 2.24 billion, which is nice for gems. All the way back down here. All the way over here. Yes, it is here. Because it says coin chest. It wouldn't usually say it, I don't think, if it wasn't there. And it is here. Yep. You can see it's here. Okay. I'm actually just going to run into it, actually. Like, run into the coins. I haven't looked at the top thing yet, I'm just looking at the things, and 55.5, oh, 56, that's not that good. 57.6 is what we end up with. That's not good. Why is this thing still here? It's still here, this big Easter thing, but there's no teleporter. It looks cool and everything, it's just, it shouldn't be here anymore. Yeah. Okay, so how many have I done for boxes? I want to just check over here, because I want to see how much I need into the next one. 9.09, which actually accounts to 9,090. Will it go up or down if I do a couple boxes here? No, because it now is actually 9,092. So how much do I need for the next one? I need 10,000, and that is an unboxing champion. I probably won't do it in this episode, but I'll hopefully do it soon. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep. Okay, I actually got a shoulder sloth, which is new. So let's see if that's better. Oh, it's the same, and I don't really want the toucan beak anymore. Wait, that isn't the raincoat duck like from ages ago? Go here. Go to the no, not that one. Like this one. Yeah, I don't want the duck anymore. Even though it is better. Yeah, I know. Even though it is better, I want the shoulder sloth. Okay. That kind of looks weird. Like, hello. I'm just gonna be hanging on your back now. Yeah, I'm still not in the area, yay. I found this one that is 5 AD. So I might be here a while, but I might get a lot of coins. I'm at 74 AD, so that's really good, and I enchanted my thing, so I now have 25 million for toucan. Banana is 25.5, and then 27.6 for the shoulder sloth. Yeah, which isn't even close to my hatch lord. And like this, 266k, 42k. A Pyramid King is better. Well, it's not as good as that though. But Tulip Trouble, all of these amazing pets, I can't use them anymore. Because they're not as good as they used to be. This is going to take a while, so yeah. Okay, so it's nearly done. And do I get a lot of money, please? Boom. Wait, there's another one over there, but I don't think it'll be as much. No, it's only the 2.280. Well, that's 2.61, but yeah. So yeah, I think I'm going to, after this one, go and get my coin chest. Because I think after that, will have enough, hopefully, to get to the next area. And I think my coin chest, I think my coin chest is ready. Did it ever say it in the chat? Coin chest is ready to collect, yep. Okay, so just finish this off, please, and then I will go. I will go all the way back. Is that brush pet the exact same? Yep. And then that's not as good. Okay. Claim that. Okay, so now I guess I'll go back to get my coin chest. After getting this one and this one, I will now leave. I shall leave all the way to the coin chest area. So let's go. Also, my boost's gone, so I don't get hit things as hard as I used to, I don't think. Or whatever it did. Yeah. Okay, so if I go all the way over to this duck that has got an arrow to him, that looks really weird. And then go all the way back to spawn. And then go all the way over to the castle, I mean. Dodge the I got the gem, but I still have coins that are chasing me. I guess I'll get them. Okay, 208 AC each. All the way back here. And yep, it says coin chest, so it's ready. And please say I get enough. I don't know if I will, but I've upgraded my hats, so I might. Are they still floating? They're floating. Why are they floating up in the air? I don't know why that happened, but no, I only got 87.1. Guys, I've got a lot of those boxes done for there. I'm at 988 now, so I want to finally get to 1,000. So let's go. This video has turned into just me trying to get coins. I don't even know if I'm going to get into there in this episode. I might have to do it next episode and just be like, I need coins in this episode. But 991, 992, keep on going. Okay. Okay guys, so yeah, my stupid editing cut out. Editing? What the hell? My stupid recording cut out, so I did get 1,000. And then I realised that it wasn't recording, so I think I got like 992 or 993 or something like that. And then it cut out. So yeah. I'm really close to getting enough though, so see you soon when I get enough. Yes, I got the banana, the dancing banana. Yes, I'm a banana. Is it actually good? I'm still recording, aren't I? Yes, okay, that's good. 21.1. No, it's not good. I just want to see where it would go though. Will it go on like my shoulder or something? No, it goes on my head. I just want to wear it just because it's amazing. Oh, but I'm going to put my toucan beak on, I guess. Because it is better. And I should be wearing the better things. But it looks so cute. Okay, I'm nearly done with my money. Hopefully, soon. So close, but so far away. I should be getting... Oh, I should have gotten a new sword, I'm just realising. I could have spent way less time doing this if I just had a better sword and kept slapping these quicker. But I'm not smart, so I didn't do that, did I? Okay. Okay, I'm so close. As soon as those float over to me, I'm just gonna keep recording until until I have enough. But yeah, it's been like more than 10 minutes, and I'm still not even in the new area. But yeah, I need to get into the next area. This will be helpful over here, but oh, I didn't even finish that off. I need to finish this one off. That will give me OCD. Even though it's not like, I can't see it, but it still will be annoying me. Even though I don't really have OCD. I don't know. It would just really annoy me, so I had to do it. Also, why is the bike green egg still here? Huh? Why? Why is that still there? And why do I have only like one paper ball, but then 16 acorns and 10 mushrooms and 4 clovers? Okay. Come on already. I need to do this. Police. 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 It sounds like I'm saying police. I'm saying police, like please, but it sounds like I'm saying police. Woo, woo. It's the sound of the police. Woo, woo. Yes. More money. And even more money. and then more money from this, and more money from this, and when that money floats to me, I might have enough, and I do have enough, but that money that might float to me will probably, hopefully, get me enough, and if I get this as well, and this, and everything, then I should have enough from hopefully this one, and if not, that will definitely give me enough, but I don't really want to do it. This should give me enough, hopefully. And if not this, and if not this, and if not this, float to me, please. That still might not even give me enough. I need to do more. And more.
Just get a dish out, Thomas.
No, I have to go. I might have to do this tomorrow. Come on, seriously. 99.8. Okay, just do a big one. Oh, that's going to be annoying me though. Oh, wait, no, it did finish. Okay. Come on, give me enough, please. Please. And then that box right there will be my last one. That one over there. As soon as that floats to me, boom, I have enough. Exactly enough. Last one. Boom. And now I'm in the new area. Yes, but I don't want to buy it twice. Okay. Another thing, so I've got 4 billion gems now. Oh my god. So yeah, there's a big thing here. Oh my god, and there's pets and everything. I'm gonna have to check this out tomorrow though. I just want to see how much damage this is gonna be. AE. AE? And how much is the smallest one? 500 AC, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check this out tomorrow. It will be still the same video, but see you guys in the future tomorrow. Just want to see what I get from this first though. Just coins. Okay guys, so I am back. It is the next day. Let's go into the construction area. The only thing that I don't like about it is it's the exact same colour. Rainforest construction, they're both green. All the other ones, they've all been different colours, like that's yellow, then green, then a weird yellow, then blue, then different colours, and red. It could have been red, but of course it's green, then green. So let's go. There are new eggs, yes. There is the jungle egg, the ninja egg's too expensive, and the builder egg. What does this give? This gives like an insane pet. These give these ones, and then these gives these ones. So I'll buy one of each first, see what one I get that's better. Snake egg, oh, jungle egg, but it looks like it's got a snake on it. I got a tree pet, and that is the worst one. Okay, but it's probably better. Yep, it's better than that. So I've got a tree pet now. And then this one, if I get my builder egg, it is a traffic cone. And it is the worst one as well. It's definitely better than this though. Okay. Buy another one of these, because hopefully I'll get something better. And then I'm going to go out of the game and come back in so that I get music. Because I want music. Stone pet. Oh yes, that's epic. Wait, I've still got my bubble pet, which is better than my tree pet. So I've still got one from there. I want to try and get a better one. Please. And I get a bulldozer. Okay, I didn't have that. Is it better? Yep, it's better. No, I don't want to do that yet. Bulldozer. Okay, so yeah, those are way better. No. So yeah, I'm gonna come back soon. Okay, yes, the music is back. My gym chest, coin chest, miscellaneous chest, and unique hat chest already. And I can only get 3 out of 4 of them, because there's still the other one that I need to try and get to. I'll buy one more of these, and then one more of these, and then we'll go down and get the other thing, the big giant chest. You know what I mean. Oh, my pet inventory's full. Okay, did I get anything better? Yeah, the traffic cone isn't as good as the bulldozer. Okay, so this is my best team of pets right now. 2 yellow blobs and a grey blob, it looks like. But it's not, it's better than that. It looks cooler than that. So how do I actually get up here? Because there is the teleporter. But if I just jump down here, oh, there's a thing here. Okay. So you would be down here, and then you just go up here, and then just go around here, and then up here. Okay. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then I'm just going to jump down here and try to do this big thing. How much is the next area? 2.4 AE, okay. Oh, and that is how much? That is 56.8 AE. It doesn't even look like it's moving. I'm not doing that. I'll try and do this big one. Okay, this is still a lot. I need a better sword. Definitely. Definitely. And I need new things. I've got 0 out of 15 for construction. No, I don't want to do that. That's too insane. This wasn't the one that I was doing, but I'll do the other one soon. I just want to get some new hats, please. 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 Do. Still nothing. Really? Nothing. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, it is nearly done with this one. And please get something. Yes, it's an epic, I think, as well, which is nice. Oh, I don't want to leave it, but I'm just going to have to because it's just too strong for now. Okay, construction zombie. Epic. Oh, and max hat claim is also done. If I go here, so that's 25. That's, no, I'm moving as well. Oh, I don't want to do one of these. So I've got this on now. And I've also got a banana helmet, but you can't see it. Actually, this and this and this. Oh no, it's not. They're not the same. Okay. If they were, then I would wear the toucan because you can't see the banana helmet. But nope. Okay. So I'll try and save up for another sword. Please, give me something good. Why am I not getting anything good? Oh my god, I'm scared to see how much that one is there. It is 56 AD. Wow. Or 56.6. Okay. Claim that. Oh, the turbo hard hat. I'm just getting all the epics straight away. That's nice. Okay, so this is my wrist one now. The shoulder slot, so it might have to go soon, sorry. You might have to go. Okay. Keep smacking. Okay. Now I have to go all the way back up here to get to the teleporter, unless I want to go all the way to that one. But then still have to go up high, so I'm just going to quickly do this one. It's probably the easiest, unless I go all the way to like bathtub and then go there. But no, I'll just quickly go through here, spawn. Okay, so the Ninja Temple's the next one, and then that's the last one on that row. Even though they could have fit like 3 more there, like 1 there, 2 there, 3 there, maybe even 4 there. and even also some there, but no, they just cut that off there and then go to classic, and then farmland. Wait, Crystal Cavern? Oh, really. There's Crystal Canyon and Crystal Cavern. Well, wait, this is Crystal Canyon, which I don't have, and then there's Crystal Cavern, which I do have, which is complicated. Okay, oh my god, there's Area 51. Okay. Go all the way down to the castle. Boop. Do 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 do. Okay. Boop. And then I'll go to the bathtub because I think that's where my swords are. The coins aren't following me yet. They might soon though. Yep, they are now. No, 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 go through. Yes, I didn't get them yet. Keep on going. And then go not to that one. I keep thinking it's that one, but that's the Ice Kingdom, not the bathtub. The bathtub's the one with the rubber ducky. Okay. Then go up here. All the way to the weapons where I can't get any yet. No, no, no. And I'm swimming away from them now. Okay, now I got 38 AD. Okay. So yeah, the next one is the bamboo knife and I can buy it. Boom. Next one's 90.1 and that will go to 360, then 2.1 AE. Okay. So I've got a better sword now, which is nice. And if I go to the quest list, next weapon, boom. Also, I'm gonna just go like enchant my stone pit because I can't. I've got full inventory, so I'll just do that. Yeah, all of these aren't as good anymore, so just need to make sure I don't do anything amazing that isn't starred. I don't think anything there is not starred. Okay, and then hats, they're nearly full as well. No, the dancing banana, I don't want to get rid of you. I'm gonna have to though. Okay, 72.6, that's really good compared to this, 5.3. Okay, so now if I go to the construction area, please. Construction. How much quicker can I do things? If I try to do this one here, how much quicker is it? Oh yes, that's way quicker. It's way easier to do that. Oh, and I might even be able to do that one there. I'll try to do it soon. Okay. And boom. Yeah, I could probably do this. And then I think I'll have to end this video here because it's getting a little bit... I don't really actually know how long it is because of all those parts that keep getting cut off and everything. It might be like around 22 minutes, I think. That's my guess. 22 minutes. So as soon as I finish this, I'll end the video here. Oh, there's another egg there? Why? We literally are just having eggs and that's it. Oh, and the chest. And then there's eggs here as well. Or one big egg. And then I don't know what's the... Oh, weapons. Okay, so I see the word weapons over there and I see some weapons. I don't know what's on that side though. No, I don't have enough. I know I don't. I don't know what's on that side though. And I know there's a big one in the middle, which you can't see at the moment for some reason. So yeah, I'll be back soon. Okay, this one is at 13.3, nearly at now 12.5. Okay, it's going quicker. So yeah, about to be done, and then we can go and we'll see how much we get. If we get 90.1 or higher, then we'll be able to have enough for the next thing, which would be nice, please. Okay, and we get, we'll see soon when it goes to us. We'll just do this one while we're waiting, and then I'll have to end this video here unless I get enough for the next thing. Keep on hidden, and I don't have enough. I might get enough soon, but I don't know. Oh, that's a new one, zombie hard hat. It's better than this, isn't it? Yep, take off that, put on this. No, I don't want to do that, unless I can do it better. I don't even see it going down, so do you think I'm going to do that? Nope. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to end. Oh, I know, it's super close to getting enough. I've literally got enough now. Well, when those float to me. See, look, 89.7. Earmuffs, new. I actually want to take that off and put these on because they're actually different. Like, those are 2 hard hats, and I want to have those on now. I can't see them though, because I didn't even do it. I want the earmuffs, please. Yes. Okay, 91.7 AD. So if we go back to the bathtub, we can get enough. So yeah, we finally got to the construction area today, which was really nice. We can't really do much apart from we got new pets, which are really cool. No, I want to go back. Okay, bathtub. Every time I go to the bathtub, it kind of glitches out and has more bubbles than it's supposed to, but then it dies down and goes back to normal. Okay, don't fall in the water again. Yes, okay. So now I have enough to buy the machete. Boom. Okay. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, oh wait, I want to claim that first. Where is it? Claim. And it will go to me soon. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button as hard as you can. And I'll see you guys in another video. So I'm just going to check how much damage this does. And if it's close to doing this at all. I'm guessing no, but I'm going to try anyways. Nope. So goodbye. I'm gonna finish this off, see how quickly this does. Yeah, that's definitely way quicker. Okay, so goodbye.